Om Sai Ram. Hello and welcome to my channel Sarv Mangal. Today I am going to discuss related to youth in a different perspective. Astrologically, I will try to touch the issues which are prevalent to the modern day youth around us, especially during this locking period. As we all know, amid this pandemic COVID-19 virus, the whole world has come to a standstill. That is a complete lockdown. Youth is a backbone of any nation. It can play an important role in the development of the society. It is a famous saying that a pinch of salt in a recipe gives it its life. Similarly, a little effort by you all will brighten your future as well as country's future. Do not think that it is an isolation. It is the time of self-realization towards your goals, future and your life. Current generation is blessed with best of the technology. I still remember my teens very clearly. I was given a phone which could only receive or make calls. It had no use other than that. I find online classes, pictures, lectures on YouTube, laptop against notebooks so fascinating. There are immense career options. If your handwriting is good, you have a career. This generation is indeed the best one. But it disappoints me that with the time majority of the youth is becoming less dedicated towards their life. We make mistakes by taking time for granted. Students especially think that they can learn or act tomorrow, but it never comes. Make your quarantine a rememberable holiday. यहाँ बहुत सोचने वाली बात है कि आज इतना समय हमें मिला है, इस समय का हम कैसे यूटिलाइज कर रहे हैं. Simply want to convey to develop small habits like stop waking up late night, sleeping late, avoid midnight snacks, don't stress your eyes too much, and this will indeed help you being more productive. Pen down all your thoughts, goals, and how will you achieve them. Each step you take reveals a new horizon. Life is like a treadmill without button. If you don't move, you won't bloom. Choosing a car is totally up to you, but the road is not in your hands. Introspection is more important. Remember, lost an hour in the morning and you will be all day hunting for it. Physical strength is also more important as nature of our culture has changed. Our relationship with physical activities has changed along with it. Build your immunity, eat well and exercise. Health is happiness. Avoid fast food. Healthy body leads to a healthy mind. Another problem I see among youngsters is overthinking. Ultimately, it leading to a stress. Understand, there is no power in the world that can control you. You are the only writer of your own destiny. I see 15 years children being victimized by depression. Remember, tough time never lasts, but tough people do. Now I am presenting to a brief introduction of the 9 planets and their astrological effects and remedies which will help you to decide your career objective as per astrological science. The most important planet in our solar system is Sun, representing your soul, your dignity and respect. Strengthening Sun in your horoscope leads you to public victory. Offer water to the sun early morning. Regular recitation of Surya Mantra and Aditya Hridam Stotram is extremely helpful. It has been observed that those who are sitting in the government offices in higher plants like IS, IPS, IRS, even political personalities in general have their sun is very strong position in the horoscope. Second most important planet is Moon, representing mother, water, and our emotional habits. It maintains emotional balance in life. To strengthen the moon, we have to be very, very careful and stop misusing of water. And those who want to choose medical line or chemical business, water related business, liquid related business should strengthen their moon. Respect your mother and touch her feet daily in the morning. Next important planet is Mars. If you want to make your career in army, in police, surgical line or in sports, you should make your Mars strong. You need to have a cordial relation with your brother and your paternal uncle. You can also regularly exercise or do yoga. Interesting fact is donating blood, it helps a lot in making the mass strong. Regular worship of Hanuman and reciting of Hanuman Chalisa and Bajrang Baan will help you a lot. Apply Hanuman Sindoor on your forehead. Start it from Tuesday. Those who want to establish themselves in business or want to become a lecturer, officer, or a teacher, they should strengthen their Mercury. Mercury is called Budh, which means wisdom, representing intelligence. People born with strong Mercury are blessed with sharp thinking abilities. To make Mercury strong to power your horoscope, simply chew 5 leaves of tulsi and remember to always pay due respect and regards to your sisters and maternal aunties. Respect your stationaries, avoid wasting paper, and don't read or write on dining table. Your bed. Choose one particular place for your study. It will help up your Mercury to give good result. Now, its very important planet is Jupiter. It is a holy planet. Strong Jupiter makes people good at commanding, as well spiritual, educated, well cultured, liberal, and generous. When Jupiter is strong, the native is likely to be blessed with kids, wealth, spiritual success. Those who want to go in medical lines or in management, their Jupiter should be strong. Do some simple remedies like use saffron. Saffron is kesar. Daily in your food, apply saffron tilak on your forehead or in your navel also. Respect your teachers and your study materials. Do not lay your laptop, books or notebooks when not in use. Now comes Venus. Venus is very luxury planet. Everyone like luxury in their lives. The people, those who have strong Venus, they have a very luxurious lives, like a film stars. The person with strong Venus rule the area of art, love and romance, beauty and comfort. Those who aspire to go in the field of art and fashion industries, singing or acting as their career option, should make their Venus strong in their horoscope. Venus is like the air condition. जैसे हम पंखा से भी ठंडी हवा हमें मिल सकती है, बट हम एसी यूज़ करना चाहते हैं क्योंकि वो हमें लग्जरी देता है, हमें आराम देता है, जबकि हमें मालूम है कि ऐसे हमें जॉइंट्स प्रॉब्लम्स को यूज़ करने से बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स होंगे. कहने का मतलब है कि वीनस इज लग्जरियस. टू मेक योर वीनस स्ट्रॉन्ग, recite Durga Chalisa, wear neat and tidy clothes, use perfumes, cleaning the environment, don't litter. सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट बात, रिस्पेक्ट वुमेन. अगर आप एक औरत हैं तो भी एक औरत की इज्जत करें. अगर उसके अंदर कुछ क्वालिटी है तो उसका सम्मान करें. अगर आप औरत की इज्जत नहीं करते हैं, अपने फैमिली में वुमेन्स की इज्जत नहीं करते हैं, तो आपका वीनस ऑटोमेटिक कमज़ोर हो जाएगा. और क्योंकि ये बहुत लग्जरी प्लैनेट है, तो हमारे जो साधु संत हैं उसमें ये वीनस बहुत कमज़ोर पाया जाता है. उनमें सैटर्न बहुत मजबूत पाया जाता है. तो अब हम आगे बता रहे हैं सैटर्न प्लैनेट्स के बारे में. जो सैटर्न प्लैनेट्स है जिससे हम सब घबराते हैं, शनि के नाम से ही सबों के अंदर एक घबराहट पैदा हो जाती है. यहाँ एक बात मैं बताना चाहती हूँ कि शनि एकमात्र ऐसा ग्रह है जो आपके करियर को स्ट्रॉन्ग करता है, जो आपके प्रोफेशन को स्ट्रॉन्ग करता है, जो आपको आध्यात्मिक भी बनाता है, आइसोलेशन की तरफ भी ले जाता है. अ पर्सन अंडर द इन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ सैटर्न हैज टू वर्क वेरी हार्ड इन लाइफ. Mining items are ruled by Saturn and iron, and all the black blue substance related business will prove to be very helpful professionally. अगर आपकी कुंडली में शनि बहुत अच्छा है तो आपको बहुत कम एफर्ट करने पर भी काफ़ी अच्छा रिजल्ट मिलेगा. मेहनत कम और फायदा ज़्यादा. टू मेक इट मोर इफेक्टिव, स्ट्रॉन्ग योर वीनस, यू हैव टू बी वेरी पोलाइट विथ योर सर्वेंट्स एंड कोवर्कर्स. खासकर शनिवार के दिन आप अपने हेल्पर्स को, वर्कर्स को सरसों के तेल का बना हुआ भोजन कराएं. सर्व देम विद स्वीट्स, कुछ मिठाई भी साथ में दें. उनकी इज्जत करें, अपशब्द ना बोले उनसे. अब शनि के बाद जो एक शैडो प्लैनेट आता है वो है राहु. राहु एक शैडो प्लैनेट है, राहु एंड केतु. राहु जो है वो रिप्रेजेंट करता है मटेरियलिज्म, मिसचीफ, फियर, डिससेटिस्फैक्शन, ऑब्सेशन एंड कंफ्यूजन. Rahu is also associated with politicians, and those who are settled abroad or in export business must have their Rahu very strong. To make it strong and favorable, you have to give respect to the lower caste people of the society, like sweeper, maid, servants, and never get into any fight with those people. Those who have a favorable Rahu lead a very, very successful life. बट राहु ऑब्स्टिकल्स भी देता है काफ़ी लाइफ में, जैसे कि अभी हमारा देश राहु के इन्फ्लुएंस में है. पीपल ट्रेडिंग इन शेयर्स एंड एमसीएक्स शुड ट्राई टू मेक देयर राहु स्ट्रॉन्ग. राहु को स्ट्रॉन्ग करने के लिए जो सबसे सरल उपाय है वो सरस्वती जी की आराधना, और वेडनेसडे और सैटरडे को स्वीपर्स को कुछ ना कुछ दान अवश्य दें. और खासकर जब वो आपको स्वीप करते हुए या झाड़ू लगाते हुए रास्ते में दिखे तो ज़रूर उन्हें कुछ ना कुछ दें. नाउ लास्ट केतु. केतु इज ऑल्सो अ शैडो प्लैनेट, बहुत आध्यात्मिक प्लैनेट है. केतु रिप्रेजेंट्स कार्मिक कलेक्शंस, बोथ गुड एंड बैड, स्पिरिचुअलिटी एंड सुपर नेचुरल इन्फ्लुएंसेस. Ketu signifies the spiritual process of the refinement. If it is a malefic, it causes sorrow and loss, oppression, surgery, accidents, cuts while working in home or workplace, simply implying wounds, and yet at the same time turns the individual to God if you are in the company of spiritual people. हमारे जितने भी भगवान हुए, तीर्थंकर हुए, उन सबों में केतु ग्रह काफ़ी बलवान पाए गए. केतु एक मोक्ष कारक ग्रह है. जिनका केतु स्ट्रांग होता है उनका इंट्यूशन पावर बहुत स्ट्रांग होता है, और एक अच्छे एस्ट्रोलॉजर बनने में केतु का बहुत ही अच्छा रोल है. टू इम्प्रूव केतु यू शुड पेट अ डॉग और फीड डॉग्स रेगुलरली. कोई भी ऐसा काम ना करे जो कि धर्म के विरुद्ध हो. केतु अगर अच्छा होगा तो आपका मोक्ष का रास्ता खुला हुआ रहेगा, आपकी वाणी बहुत जल्दी फलित होगी. और एक एस्ट्रोलॉजर है तो उसको ये चीज़ की काफ़ी ज़रूरत होती है, और मैंने सभी एस्ट्रोलॉजर से कुंडली में केतु को बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग पाया है. सो देयर आर द 9 प्लैनेट विद देयर मेलेफिक एंड बेनिफिक इफेक्ट्स एंड रेमेडीज without any precious gemstones or birthstones therapy or pyramid therapy. This is as simple day-to-day tips which can be done very easily and effectively. ऐसे तो स्टोन्स भी काफ़ी इफेक्टिव होते हैं, बट ये बहुत सिंपल उपाय मैंने बताया. लॉकडाउन पीरियड में बच्चों के पास काफ़ी टाइम है इनको अपने रूटीन में लाने के लिए. अगर ये सबको ये रूटीन में लाएंगे, प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो इनके लिए ईजी हो जाएगा, क्योंकि प्रैक्टिस मेक्स अ मैन परफेक्ट. इसलिए अगर अभी से प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो आपको इसकी आदत हो जाएगी. Instead of spreading jokes, messages in WhatsApp, playing games, video games, PUBG, one should follow these simple tips to make their life success. Always be positive in your life. Problems will come, but no problems are permanent. If you fail, you may get hurt, but it will cure. Instead of worrying about what you cannot control, shift your energy to what you can create. Take responsibility of your own happiness. Never put it in the other hands. अपने हर कार्य में भगवान को अपने साथ रखिए, भगवान को अपना हाथ थाम दीजिए, तो वो कभी आपका हाथ नहीं छोड़ेंगे और हमें हर प्रॉब्लम से मुक्ति मिलती जाएगी. पेरेंट्स से भी ये बात कहना चाहती हूँ कि अनसर्टेनिटी इज अ पार्ट ऑफ द लाइफ. ओनली थिंग दैट इज सर्टेन इन द वर्ल्ड इज अनसर्टेनिटी. वी कैन ओनली कंट्रोल आवर प्रेजेंट. आप अपने बच्चों को भी यही समझाएं कि फ्यूचर प्लानिंग करना अच्छी बात है, बट प्रेजेंट पर रहना सबसे अच्छी बात है. एक बहुत अच्छी कहावत है, बेस्ट ब्रेन ऑफ द नेशन मे बी द बेस्ट बेंचर इन द क्लास. इसीलिए अपनी काबिलियत पर हमें विश्वास होना चाहिए और प्रभु में आस होना चाहिए. आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट पेरेंट्स टू शो दिस यूट्यूब वीडियो टू देयर चिल्ड्रन एंड मेक देम अवेयर अबाउट देयर प्लैनेटरी पोजिशंस एंड प्लान देयर करियर अर्ली इन द accordance to their interest, destiny. These small tips make their destiny, and awareness will of course build courage and confidence to start plan a career at a tender age, to remain focused for a successful and a blessed life ahead. Since opportunities are plenty, likewise distractions are also there, and to put our children on the right track can only be achieved by hard working and routine life. Try to start meditating early morning and make God your partner. Friend, share your feelings with the parents and gods. He will never let you go in the wrong direction. Only your determination, dedication and discipline can lead you to success. Be very positive in life. I never get disappointed by failures. One should never get disappointed by failures. There are miles to go and the journey has just begun. A 1,000-mile journey starts with a single step. You just need to move in the right direction. And all the best to my to my viewers, and my good wishes are always with you. And one thing I want to tell you, that please like and comment and share and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. Leave your video recommendations in the comment down below. Thank you.